This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jana Deneau. This charming second-floor coach home boasts 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 full baths, and in-residence laundry with a full-size washer and dryer. The home features tile throughout with carpeting in the bedrooms. Relax and unwind on the screened-in lanai, offering picturesque views of hole number 1 on the lakes. Pelican Sound Golf and River Club is ideally situated along the Estero River, providing convenient boating access to the Gulf of Mexico. Residents can take advantage of 27 holes of bundled golf, as well as 10 pickleball and 8 tennis courts. The River Club offers a laid-back sports bar and grill atmosphere, complete with a resort-style pool, spa, and bocce courts. Canoes and kayaks are available for leisurely outings on the river. The professionally staffed fitness center offers a variety of classes to help residents maintain an active lifestyle. Embrace all that Pelican Sound Golf and River Club has to offer and enjoy a vibrant community filled with amenities and opportunities for recreation. For more information, review the details below or contact Jana Deneau at 239-200-1990.